Alrighty. Day one, California. We're staying in Airbnb. Here's the backyard. DJ, say hi. Say hi. DJ said, no, I'm good. We were going to go on the mountain today, but there's a big snowstorm blowing in, so we're just going to go around town. But I do have the 3 monkeys with me. And so we're going to pick the first one today. Here is the lock. Let's see if the key does work. Here's the bitting on the key. Nose picker, lock pick is 69, and Harry Bow. And this is number 1. So we're gonna use 50 thousandths top the keyway. We're gonna pick it in hand, and then when I get home, I'm gonna do like an official speed pick of all 3 of them, because this is a speed picking challenge lock competition. So far, Paradise and Thumper have participated. I'm the 3rd one, and I will be doing a giveaway like I've been doing for all my challenge locks. Let's hold this up. I don't know. Come on. It's not impossible to pick this in hand. I've done it before. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Last pin, come on. There we go. And we got it open. So let's go ahead and end the video here. Tomorrow we're going to the Redwoods and we will pick number 2. Catch you guys later.